towards Cornwall.
And what was hinted at yesterday, that England and Wales has indeed had its dullest January on record, as have some parts of Northern Ireland. Incidentally, it's been quite wet in parts of Northern Ireland, but not so in western Scotland. They're just the opposite, a fair amount of sunshine. But it's all changing. We're losing those northeasterly and easterly winds. The area of high pressure is going to be slipping away into Europe, and in its place we're going to get our own new area of high pressure, so not very much wind, but that doesn't change all that, because we're still going to have some quite sharp frost night and morning. We may well have some problems from some fog as well. But today, just to celebrate the end of January, the sun did make an appearance in many parts of the country, especially along western coast, and eventually in many central and eastern areas as well, as that cloud moved away. And that cloud is going to continue to break up and drift away during the course of the rest of the night. Already it's a cold evening, temperatures are dipping below freezing, and those temperatures will continue to drop during the rest of the night. So a widespread frost before the night's out, lowest temperatures in some of those northwestern areas, but a fairly sharp frost nevertheless just about everywhere, except right on the coast and maybe in the tip there of Cornwall, but at least not the wind, so the frost not a penetrating frost. Tomorrow for much of the country it'll be dry, and there will be some sunshine from time to time. I think the north and east of Scotland, parts of northeast England will be rather on the cloudy side, and we are going to find some patchy cloud drifting across much of the country during the course of the day. So the sunshine coming and going, just some fleeting glimpses probably by the second part of the day, but staying generally dry, just a spot or two in the southwest and in the northeast. I think the most noticeable thing tomorrow, though, well, it was partly noticeable today, but certainly even more noticeable tomorrow, is that those winds are going to be a lot lighter. So although temperatures, as far as the numbers are concerned, are nothing brilliant and not all that much higher than today, don't think it's going to feel as cold, about 3 or 4 degrees for the most part, remaining below freezing, though, on some of the mountain tops in North Wales and through northern England and into Scotland. Another widespread frost tomorrow night, quite a sharp frost in places, and moving on into Friday, most of the country will be dry again. Some of these northern and northeastern parts may have a spot or two of rain or a little bit of sleet around, otherwise there'll be some hazy sunshine. Then another frost to come on Friday night, and another dry day with a little bit of sunshine from time to time through into Saturday as well. A very good evening to you.